Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into the LANEIGE Lip Sleeping Mask, a product that has earned rave reviews for its ability to nourish and hydrate dry, flaky lips overnight. If you're struggling with chapped lips or looking for a way to get smooth, supple lips, keep watching as we break down everything you need to know. Product overview. The LANEIGE Lip Sleeping Mask is a luxurious, thick, overnight treatment designed to hydrate, repair, and soften lips. It's formulated with Murumuru butter and Shea butter, providing a rich, nourishing experience, while vitamin C and antioxidants help promote healthier lips. The mask works its magic while you sleep, locking in moisture and leaving your lips feeling plush and rejuvenated by morning. With a clear finish and a sweet berry scent, this mask is a treat for your lips. Usage experience. Using the LANEIGE Lip Sleeping Mask is easy and indulgent. Simply apply a generous layer to your lips before bed and let it work overnight. The texture is thick but not sticky, making it comfortable to wear while you sleep. It can also be used throughout the day when your lips need extra hydration, making it versatile. The sweet berry scent adds to the luxurious experience, though it's subtle enough not to be overwhelming. Performance. As far as performance goes, this product truly delivers. The LANEIGE Lip Sleeping Mask does an exceptional job of hydrating dry, cracked lips. In fact, it's often praised for its ability to restore moisture quickly and for providing long-lasting results. After just one night of use, many users have reported that their lips felt plumper, softer, and noticeably smoother. It's particularly effective for people with severely dry lips, offering visible improvements after continued use. Pros and cons. Let's talk about the pros first. One of the standout features of the LANEIGE Lip Sleeping Mask is its hydration power. It locks in moisture while you sleep and works quickly to repair damaged lips. The berry scent is pleasant without being overpowering, and it doesn't leave a sticky residue, which is a plus for many users. The packaging is also sleek and practical, making it easy to scoop out the product. On the flip side, the LANEIGE Lip Sleeping Mask might feel a bit too thick for those who prefer lighter lip balms. Its premium price may also be a drawback for some, though considering the quality and longevity of the product, many feel it's worth the investment. Comparisons. When compared to other lip masks or balms on the market, the LANEIGE Lip Sleeping Mask stands out because of its luxurious feel and rich ingredients. While there are other lip balms that claim to offer similar benefits, such as Carmex or Burt's Bees, LANEIGE offers a more intensive and hydrating formula, especially suited for those with severely dry or flaky lips. If you're looking for a treatment that goes beyond daily lip care and delivers a true nourishing experience, this product is in a class of its own. Value for money. At around $20 for a jar, the LANEIGE Lip Sleeping Mask might seem like a splurge, but considering how little you need to use each time, it provides great value. The jar is likely to last a long time, making it a worthwhile investment for those with chronic dry lips or anyone wanting to add a luxury treatment to their skincare routine. Plus, the visible results after a single use make it feel like money well spent. Build quality. The LANEIGE Lip Sleeping Mask comes in a sturdy, compact jar, perfect for travel. The consistency is thick but smooth, making it easy to apply with the fingers or a spatula. The quality of the ingredients is top-notch, and the formula doesn't feel heavy or greasy once applied. User-friendliness. This product is user-friendly with no complex steps involved in its use. Simply apply it before bed and you're good to go. It doesn't require any special application technique, making it a great choice for people who are always on the go but still want to maintain healthy, soft lips. Final verdict. In conclusion, the LANEIGE Lip Sleeping Mask is a fantastic product that lives up to its reputation. If you have dry, chapped lips and need something to restore them overnight, this product is a game changer. The hydration it offers is unmatched, and the results are visible from the first use. While the price might be a little higher than your average lip balm, it's worth it for the benefits it delivers. Target audience. This lip mask is ideal for anyone struggling with dry, cracked lips. It's particularly beneficial for people with extremely dry lips or those living in harsher climates. If you're someone who wants to give their lips some extra TLC, this mask is for you. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much for tuning into this review of the LANEIGE Lip Sleeping Mask here on Beautyistic. If you liked this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to get notified of more awesome content. You can find the link to grab the product in the description box below. If you have any questions or thoughts on this product, feel free to leave them in the comments. We'd love to hear your experience with the LANEIGE Lip Sleeping Mask, or if you already own it, let us know how it's worked for you.